Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Lumpia Shanghai sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. We'll start by combining these key liquids and sweeteners to create the perfect foundation for your dipping sauce. Remember, the goal is a balanced flavor that truly enhances your lumpia. Let's get started by combining our base ingredients. Measure 1/2 cup of vinegar and 2 cups of water into a saucepan. Next, add 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar and 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Whisk these together over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth, sweet, and tangy foundation for your sauce.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's elevate the flavor and texture. Stir in 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic for a wonderful aromatic depth. If you enjoy a little heat, add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Finally, prepare a cornstarch slurry by mixing 4 teaspoons of cornstarch with 4 teaspoons of water. Then stir it into the simmering sauce to achieve your desired thickness. With all ingredients combined, bring the sauce mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Continue stirring constantly to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. You'll notice the sauce visibly thickening as it cooks. Once it reaches your preferred consistency, remove it from the heat. Now, taste and make any final adjustments to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.